Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a collage on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can quickly combine multiple photos in a single collage using the Samsung built-in gallery app. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first open up gallery. And let's just say we want a collage of all of these images. So for example, this one here, this one, and this one. Next, we're going to go ahead and tap on create. And then we'll go ahead and tap on create collage. So now here you can go ahead and choose your collage style. You can choose a 4x4, all these different styles. You can go ahead and choose the color. You can even choose if you want round edges and how thick. Go ahead and choose your styles of collages, so 9:16 ratio, 3:4 ratio. This first icon is just random placements. You can even move them around. You can zoom in. And once you're happy, you can go and tap on save. And this will basically create a collage for you. So this is a collage which is created for you. So this is great for memory keeping. It's great for sharing event highlights or mood boards in one image. So no third-party app is needed, simple, fast, and intuitive. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a collage on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.